DIY recycled pallet wall planter. Transform trash into trendy home decor.
Next, choose your finish. Whether you prefer a rustic stained look or a bold splash of color, apply a thin, even coat. Allow it to dry completely. Patience here pays off in the long run.
Quick, dynamic montage of the finished wall planter in various home settings.
Ever thought that old wooden pallets could become a stunning piece of wall art and a home for your favorite plants? Stay tuned to see how you can transform trash into trendy decor. Now it's time to add the hardware. Drill holes and attach wall hooks or brackets securely to the back of your pallet. This step is crucial for ensuring your planter can safely hang on the wall.
Tools laid out.
Hi, I'm Troylin from EliteIQ. Today, I'm showing you how to create a DIY recycled pallet wall planter that's not only eco-friendly, but also a perfect accent for your living space. Let's get started.
On-screen graphics list the following materials: recycled wooden pallet, sandpaper, wood, stain or paint, screws, drill wall hooks or brackets, potting soil, assorted small plants or succulents.
For this project, you'll need a recycled wooden pallet, some basic tools, your favorite wood finish, and a few plants to bring your planter to life.
Most items can be found at your local hardware store or repurposed from home. Prep the pallet. Close-ups of the pallet being sanded and cleaned. Step 1. Clean and sand your pallet to remove any rough edges. This not only gives it a smooth finish, but also helps the stain or paint adhere better. Pro tip: use a medium grit sandpaper and always sand in the direction of the wood grain.
Step 2. Stain or paint 45 minutes.
Applying a wood stain with a brush, then a time-lapse of the finish drying.
Next, choose your finish. Whether you prefer a rustic stained look or a bold splash of color, apply a thin, even coat.
Allow it to dry completely. Patience here pays off in the long run.
Step 3. Mounting hardware installation. Drill holes and attaching brackets to the back of the pallet.
Now it's time to add the hardware. Drill holes and attach wall hooks or brackets securely to the back of your pallet. This step is crucial for ensuring your planter can safely hang on the wall. Step 4. Assemble the planter.
Arrange small pots or directly creates pockets in the pallet for soil and plants, then fills them. With your pallet ready, decide how you want to arrange your plants.
You can either attach small pots to the surface or create pockets in the pallet for a more integrated look. Fill with potting soil and carefully plant your chosen greens.
Final reveal. Your styling.
The completed wall planter is hung up.
Voila! A beautiful, sustainable wall planter that not only brightens up your space, but also helps the planet.
Don't forget to show off your DIY project by tagging us on social media. If you enjoyed this project, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative DIY ideas every week. Comment below on what you'd like to see next. Happy crafting! See you next time. Like and subscribe. Don't forget to comment below on what you'd like to see next. Happy crafting! Our channel fuses innovative DIY projects and futuristic hustle insights with dynamic animated storytelling. With a modern visual identity and engaging narratives, it captivates diverse audiences